getting ready to work on a home improvement project? Why not check to see what the Bellwood Library has to offer to help you with instructions? Starting from our website, bellwoodlibrary.org, we're going to check our online resources to see what are available. You see here there's a do-it-yourself section, and if we click on that to drop down, there's something called the Home Improvement Reference Center, which says there's user-friendly how-to information for a variety of projects, which is exactly what we're doing. Let's see if we can find what we're looking for. Now, to log in from outside of the library, you will need your library barcode and PIN in order to access the page. We do have in-library access for those of you without a card, so go ahead and give us a call to schedule an appointment and we can get you set up so we can see this page. If you've used some of our previous reference centers, you may know and be able to recognize this interface. It is a similar interface you will recognize. If this is your first time seeing something like this, though, what we have at the top is a search section, which we'll take a look at in a minute. But what we're going to start with right here is these categories, which it has provided to help us in our search. For example, our hypothetical situation we're going to look up is if we have a frozen pipe situation. So that is under plumbing. All you have to do is click on that section, and you'll see here it's giving me a lot of different categories underneath plumbing because, of course, there are so many areas that I could be looking for. If you need to know about basic tools, if you're just starting out, if you're doing projects in a specific area like your kitchen or bathroom, things like that, if you're dealing with outdoor plumbing. In this case, I mentioned the frozen pipes, so that's going to be under repairs and maintenance, and there's that link right there. Go ahead and just click on that. This is going to bring back the best result that it has, and so that's exactly what this is. This is fixing burst or frozen pipes. So we'll see here the information with the tools that we need, the steps we have to take, some pictures, and if I want to save this information, I just have to print it right here, or I can always email it to myself or anyone else. If I have multiple email addresses, I just have to put a semicolon in between the address to do that. It'll send the PDF as an attachment as long as that is left checked off. And I can access this anytime I want. I don't have to log back into the library. I don't have to have email or anything, or access to the internet or anything like that to see that resource again. Anytime you want to go back to that home page, you just have to press that back button at the top. If that wasn't exactly what I was looking for, or I still want more information on the topic, I mentioned the search box. That's all you have to do. I just typed in frozen pipes. You can see it's giving me a couple options here. I'm going to leave it at just frozen pipes for right now. And this will be the result list for everything that it's giving me here. A lot of this is up to preventing frozen pipes, which is also something that's important. So you can go ahead and click on any of those if that's related to what you're looking for. And the same thing applies. You'll go ahead and get that full record, that article or chapter, whatever it may be, and you can print and email it. All of that will still be an option for you. So it does have the ability to find these different things for you to do your projects. That's the basics. It's a great resource to use for new homeowners, or even if you're trying to update your home and tackle projects you've been putting off. I hope some of you out there give this a chance the next time you're going to do a project around the house.